I swear, I ended up being Chandler the last few weeks, and I'm like, could it be any slower? Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel where we do lots of unboxings over here. Today, we're diving into the PLouise budget box for January 2024. I know, it is March and you're like, Sydney, you're showing us a January box. I know, but this one was not my fault, okay? Sometimes it is. Sometimes I do get behind on my boxes, but this one, absolutely not my fault. So if you're not familiar with this subscription box, this is a monthly beauty box that's put on by PLouise herself. She is an MUA makeup artist that has created her own cosmetic line. Gorgeous packaging. Honestly, I'm a little bit jealous because it's just gorgeous. This is absolutely what I would do if I had my own line, is something just funky like this. It's very girly, very feminine, and I enjoy her products a lot. And she originally started out with a teaching academy showing others how to be a makeup artist. And then she had the idea of, let's try to build your kit as a professional, and we're gonna create a budget box where you can receive items to build your kit up at a fraction of the price. Now it has started to evolve more into just a regular subscription box. So it's no longer designed only for professionals or only for makeup artists, but that's originally how it began. Since then, the budget boxes have taken off to where they've been so good. They've been selling out month after month that they actually opened it up to where more people could buy these boxes for the 2024 year, which is great. It does ship from the UK, so there is a bit of a delay. My box usually arrives about 2 weeks later than everybody else just because it is shipping from overseas. So I'm okay with that. You know, not a big deal. I don't mind waiting a little bit longer because I understand. But the January box was delayed for some reason, and they kept sending email after email telling everyone it's delayed, you will get your box. It started with it'll ship February 1st, and then eventually I got an email that said no, it'll ship February 15th. And my box ended up not shipping till the end of February. I don't know if it's on here, if it says exactly when they shipped it. Okay, it says it was shipped on February 20th. So it shipped on the 20th. It takes a couple of weeks to get here to me in the States, so now I finally have my box, my very much so delayed January box. So that is my whole drama right now with PLouise. I still love this subscription, but I am a little bit disappointed when things are late. It's like, okay, I'm really getting impatient now. It's been a while, but I'm just glad it finally showed up. So if you guys are interested in purchasing the subscription box, I do recommend it. I do think it's got good makeup in it. I like the products. So I will be posting a link down below. But keep in mind, it does ship from the UK, so it does take a while to get here. And if they have any sort of a delay, it will take longer to arrive. So just, I'm being honest with you, just keep that in mind. If you are an impatient person and don't like to wait, maybe don't buy this box. All right, let's get into it here. So it says the final destination is always worth the journey. So we're gonna peel, oh. Okay, that's just lovely. That's basically fitting for my January box. Okay, let's try this side now. So there we go. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Sheesh. I'm in a weird mood today, you guys. I can't explain it. So this is what it looks like for our January box. First item is the finishing touch. This is from the PLouise skincare line. It is their all over body glow product. So full size product here. And this one is in the shade Slaying Not Stressing. And that legit is the shade name. Like, it's very common for PLouise to give these really long shade names. But this is going to be a setting spray or a setting mist. It says it's going to catch the light and stand out. It's also going to give you a little plumpness for your skin. And you shouldn't need too much of this to give you a glow for your skin as well. So let's check out the shade that we have here because I have no idea what that is. Oh, it's decent. Honestly, that's not bad at all. It's going to go down almost clear, but then in the light, it's going to catch it and be a little bit more iridescent. I think this is beautiful. This will look really pretty, especially in summertime. Next item is the Glossy and Glazed. I think I might be the one. This is an all over body glow. So is this like a lotion formula? That's what I'm getting. So this is what it looks like here. So this is a lotion that will give you glow all over. So I don't see a shade name on this one. It looks like it's just going to be an all over body lotion that's also going to give you hydration, but also give you a little bit of, like, there's going to be a touch of shimmer in it to give you that bit of glow. So this is nice that it's a good size. It's 3.52 ounces or 100 ml. Everything from PLouise is also cruelty-free as well. I forgot to mention that. It's not all vegan, but it is all cruelty-free products. This is a set of 3 lip oils in the box. So this is a full collection. The shade names are All Fired Up, Gleam Team, and Flashy Lifestyle. So this is the first lip oil, and this one is the Flashy Lifestyle. So this is what it looks like. I mean, the packaging is just stunning. I always love it. The lip oil will have a touch of pink to it, but it's not a lot. When it goes down, it gives you a little bit, but it's still very smooth. I do feel like her glosses are a tad bit sticky, if I'm honest with you guys, but I think they're pretty that it makes up for it. This one has a touch of gold shimmer in it, but you can see that oil is just really shiny. It catches the light beautifully. It also smells really good. It smells like bubble gum. That's what I'm getting, is like the bubblegum scent. Our next one is the All Fired Up, and this oil will also have a slight tint, but not too much. Again, it's gonna be a little bit pink, and this shimmer, it's got a touch more of like a golden shimmer in it. Again, it's very subtle. There's not a lot, so I just swatched on the top there. Man, you can't even tell. They look identical. And the smell again is bubblegum. But it smells like this one smells like a juicier bubblegum. Like maybe there's like a fruit in there, like a strawberry bubblegum or something, but very sweet smelling. But that's weird. The shades look identical. And then this one is Gleam Team, and it is their clear shade, which the last two have kind of went down clear. So this one, I'm going to go right down below. It has a gold shimmer in it, and I can definitely see the gold is a little bit different. But man, from a distance, you really can't tell that they're very different. You can tell these have a touch of pink compared to the one down below, but they're all very close to each other. And this one again, it's got a very sweet, sugary scent to it, but this is less bubblegum and more like sweet tarts. I do think these give you great shine. If you're looking for a shiny lip, it will definitely achieve that. I think the packaging is great. I just can't tell a difference really between these shades. Last item inside of our box today is a palette. It says, GPS says, it's my turn. I do think it's cute. The theme this month is all like driving. I don't know. It's kind of a unique little theme and it's cute. So it is a powder blush palette, full-size palette. And I did notice on the website that you can buy some of these items individually. However, they are giving priority to the subscribers first. So if this palette were to sell out with all the subscribers, you would not be able to buy it on the website. But I think it is still on there right now. So there is a mirror, and then down below are these gorgeous blush shades. Oh my gosh. I love these shades. They're stunning. I love how feminine and flirty they are, but also they're just beautiful. Now, I'm a pink shade kind of person. Like, I really like having pinks more so than I do reds, and that's just because I'm cool tone. So this is 100% perfect for me. I love this palette, you guys. This made the box worth it, in my opinion. Like, this is 100% worth what I spent on it. So that is everything inside of my January PLouise budget box. Comment down below, what do you guys think? I gotta say, I'm still a little bit salty for it being so late because I think these products are good, but I'm almost like, was this worth waiting for this long? And I just don't know. I think it's because I've had to wait for so long that I'm a little bit salty about it, but they're not bad products. They really are. I need an attitude adjustment, honestly, because these products are gorgeous. They're wonderful. I will use them. I just wish it wasn't so late. Okay, so I'm gonna work on my attitude, you guys. If you are interested in this subscription box, I will have a link listed down below for you. Right now, if you purchase in March, you will receive the March box. But again, with shipping being delayed, it being overseas, you probably will not receive it until April. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!